Hey guys, this is TT from Life Lemons and Cake. Today we're going to make Cajun style grits. You see all that sauce? You see all those grits? I'm telling you, it's real southern, baby. Next thing we're going to do is add some butter to a non-stick skillet. And you got to have non-stick because who wants the butter who wants stuff to stick to their pan? Next, we're going to add some onions to this pan. Now, I don't like big chunky onions just because I don't like it like that. I like them diced. Next, we're going to add some bell pepper, and I like um, orange bell pepper because just the color. The color is pretty, and sometimes you need to spice it up, honey. Gonna stir that around. Make sure it's translucent. Now it's done cooked down. It's time to add our sausage because what's Cajun without sausage? We're going to add a little bit of garlic, minced garlic. Next, we're going to add some tomato because you can't have Cajun food without some type of tomato sauce, something like that. For jambalaya, this is almost considered like a jambalaya, but minus the rice. We're going to put grits in it. Next, we're going to add our shrimp. Now, watch how I put these shrimp in this pan. I'm acting like I got all day, almost putting like one by one, do a little few, do a little few. And I don't know why. It's not like I got all day in the world. I got to hurry up and make this dish for you guys. After placing the shrimp one by one, we're going to add some flavor. And we need flavor in our life. We're going to stir that up. Next, we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. Like, it's so fattening, but it tastes so good. Keep on mixing. Then we're going to add a little bit more and cook it down. But I added it off camera because you guys don't need to see just how fattening it is. Cook it on down. Next, we're going to add some pepper jack cheese. And the reason why we're going to add some pepper jack cheese, I like my meal kind of spicy just like I like myself. Next, we're going to make sure everything is melted down and we're going to let it sit for a while. Because sort of we want it a little bit thicken up a little bit. But we don't need it too thick because our grits. Add a little parsley, but sometimes people just add parsley, parsley, parsley. Now add your grits in there. These are 5-minute grits. Sometimes people add water. I don't know why, but I like to add me some milk. And I like to add more milk than I'm probably supposed to because I don't want to be choking on no grits. I mean, I could do thick for this meal because we need a kind of a pocket, but good Lord. Some people make them and it's like you eating a choke sandwich. We're going to put a top over this and some salt. I don't need no bland grits, choked out bland grits. So put that top on there. Now look at them grits. Now we're gonna add some butter. We're gonna add some more salt too because I know it probably needs some. Now let's plate this thing on up. And y'all, I don't know why I'm using a scoop, but maybe I'm using it because I want to pretend like this is a fancy restaurant. So what I'm doing is making a well with these grits because it needs to hold the sausage because the sausage, the mixture is kind of, a little bit juicy, but you need that. Pour it on in there. I'm talking about get on in there. Now let's add some bacon. some pre-cooked. I already cooked it. Come on. Next, then we're gonna add up some Creole seasoning. That's it. I need you guys to subscribe to my channel. And I need you to tell a friend. Because look at that dish. Like, look at it. We have to try it. I'm talking about that's the closer. The trying it. But I still need you guys to follow me. But we still gonna try it. Ow.